Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the main top on your gas cooktop, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the gas supply. Carefully lift off all 3 grates. Remove all 5 burner caps and the burner bases. Remove all of the control knobs. You can use string or wire to help pull them off of the valve stems. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws, securing the orifice holders to the main top. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the old top. Prepare the new main top for installation by first transferring the grate supports from the old top to the new one. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver or a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the supports. Align the supports on the new top and secure them with the screws. Next, transfer the 5 control valve grommets from the old top to the new one. Align the new top on the base so the spark electrodes protrude through the holes in the top. Confirm that the orifice holders are aligned, then thread and tighten the screws to secure the holders to the main top. Replace the control knobs by aligning them on the valve stems and pushing them into place. Align each burner base with the appropriate orifice holder so the igniter electrode protrudes through the hole in the base. Next, position the burner caps on the bases. Align the 3 burner grates on the support brackets and gently lower them. With the repair completed, turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your gas cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.